how you can fix Soundcore earbuds not charging. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it, so let's get started. First, make sure the little metal spots on your earbuds and inside the case are clean. Dirt, dust, or earwax can stop them from charging, so take a soft cloth or a cotton swab with a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol and gently wipe those spots. Then let them dry before you put the earbuds back in. Now, check if the charging case has enough power. If the case is dead, it can't charge the earbuds, so plug the case into a charger using the original cable and adapter. Wait a few minutes and see if the light on it turns on, showing it's charging. And if you don't see the light, look at your cable and adapter. They might be broken. Try using a different cable and charger that work with the case. Using the original ones is best, but a good spare is okay. Once you've done that, if it still doesn't charge, it's time to reset your earbuds. So put both buds in the case and leave the lid open. Then press and hold the button on the case for about 10 seconds. Wait till the lights flash 3 times. That resets them and can fix little software problems. After that, try charging again. If it still doesn't work, reach out to Soundcore customer support. They can help you more and see if your earbuds can be fixed or replaced under warranty. And that's it. That's how you can fix Soundcore earbuds not charging.